study international relations in the university.
I want to be a medical doctor.
I want to become a business admin.
I want to become a professional footballer.
I want to become a mass communicator.
A gynecologist.
I want to be a journalist.
I would like to be a neurosurgeon.
Pause it right there.
You watching this right now, from that point of your life up until now, how many surgeries have you done? How many businesses have you admin? How many international relationships have you related? Come on, gone are those days. I'm here with a solution from Lab Space. A tech camp where kids are going to be taught soft skills like 2D animation, coding, photography, videography, content creation, and a whole lot more, starting this summer, 5th August 2024.
There you have it. Do well to sow a seed in a kid's life, in your household, in your environment's life today by enrolling them in this program for as low as $18 to $19. It will give them a better competitive advantage amongst their peers because this skill is not what's going to obstruct their academics. They could still be going to school learning while learning. I remain by name Gana Joshua, bringing you information around the environment that you never knew of. So hit the like and subscribe button for more information like this. I'm going to be dropping the link, the description, and the contact of Lab Space down in my description. So if you want to enroll, you could either reach out to them or hit me by sending me an email and I'll take you there right here in the Niger States. So thank you.